Hi boys, I hope you're well and I'm going to do another video now for maths this week. I hope the first one helped you and that's all going well for you, okay? So yesterday, so money day one, we looked at multiplying, okay? So if we had 10 items and they were 50 cents each, how much money did I need to bring to the shop to get those items? It would be €5, okay? We used our multiplication. So today we're going to use our division skills, okay? So we would have done division a couple of weeks back as well. So now we're going to use our division skills using money, okay? So why do I need to use division skills in money? Again, like I always say, you have to be able to use your maths in real life. That's what learning is about, okay? We have to use our maths in real life, okay? So if you worked in a shop and a tray of goods came in and there might be a label on the top and it would say €7.35. €7.35, okay, for a box. The box comes in, you're working in the shop and it says €7.35, okay? Now, when you open that box, okay, there's 5 bars of chocolate in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 bars of chocolate in there, okay? So your boss will say to you, how much are each of those bars of chocolate going to be? So on the box outside it says $7.35 is the total amount and there's 5 bars of chocolate in there. So we are going to use our division skills, okay? So what's my sum? Can you think of what the sum is? It's 5 because there's 5 bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to divide the full amount, the total amount, $7.35 by 5. So we're dividing the total amount by the 5 items that are in there, okay? So again, if you know your tables really well, it will really, really help you with your division because it's just the opposite of it, okay? We've talked about that in school, okay? So how many times can 5 go into 7? It goes in once. What's left over? Yeah, you're right. 2. Now again, my decimal point, really, really important here, okay? 5 goes into 23, how many times? 4 times. And what's left over? 3. 5 goes into 35, how many times? Do you know the answer? Yeah, it's 7. Okay? So, what symbol must I put on this figure here? Am I going to put grams? No. Kilograms? No. What am I going to put? Euro, exactly. There's my euro sign. It's really important. And also, this is very important. So how much is each chocolate bar? How much am I going to put on each chocolate bar? Each chocolate bar is going to cost €1.47. Each one of them, okay, is going to cost $1.47. Okay, so the decimal point is really important because if the decimal point wasn't there, this would be our answer, 147. Now, using our common sense, have you ever seen a bar of chocolate or bought a bar of chocolate for €147? No. So we use our head and we use our common sense. So we always have to make sure our decimal point is there. Okay? Now if you wanted to check your answer, okay, so you got 147. If I wanted to check my answer, so I have, each of these are 147. 147, 147, 147, 147. Okay? How could I check that answer? How could I check I was right? What do you think? What other skills could we use? Yeah, we could add them. So if I add these 5 here, if I add them together, that will get 730. That should get 735, and I know my answer was right. So I could have 147. How many times am I going to write it? How many times? 5 times. 47, 147. Okay? 1. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 35. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 735. So I know that I'm right. Check my answer and I'm definitely right. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition, okay? So this is just a way to check our answer. I hope that makes sense. I'll do one more, okay? I'll try and do it up the top here so that we can keep that up in case it's helpful for you to use, okay? So let's say there was a big, I'm going to just stand up here, that there was water, okay, bottles of water, okay? So there's 7 bottles of water, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know they don't look like bottles, but just bear with me, okay? And the money on the box said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 was €8.05. Now, your job, okay, in the shop, is to price those individual bottles of water. So what do? I know I'm going to use my division skills, but how do I know what to divide by? What do you think? Yep, I must divide by the number of items. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my sum is going to be 7 divided into €8.05. Okay? How many times can 7 go into 1? Once. Very good. And I carry my 1. Very important to carry your 1. And write your maths very clearly. Because if you don't write it clearly, your answer is going to be wrong. You might know your tables off by heart, but if you haven't got that carried over, your answer is going to be wrong. So make sure that your presentation of maths is really clear. Okay, good boys. So 7 goes into 10. How many times? Goes in once. And there's 3 left over. 7 goes into 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay? So, what symbol must I put on here? Euro. And what am I checking that I have? My decimal point. So each bottle of water is going to be €1.15. So you can say to the boss, yeah, I'm going to label those up and I'm going to put labels on them, and each bottle of water is going to be €1.15. Okay? How could I check my answer? Same as down here. If I wanted to check it, I would add €1.15 plus €1.15 7 times if I want to check my answer. You can do your addition, and what should your answer be? It should be €8.05. Okay? So that's our video today about division. If you have any questions, just type up and ask me any questions. I'm going to give you more exercise on Busy at Maths, so you can take a picture of your work or you can type it up and send it to me. Either way is fine. If you have any questions about it, don't get overwhelmed again. Just go with the flow. If you can do it, great. Okay, just do your best. That's all I ask. Alright, I hope you're having a good day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye boys, take care.